Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna make coconut oil plus a kakanin, we call in Ilocano sumalatik. So I have here fresh grated the coconut. I pour some hot water. Take note, this is all natural. No chemical added. Squeeze natin at salain. Now I produce coconut milk. By the way, ngayon po pala ay Biyernes Santo, just a traditional way of making our coconut oil. Let's turn on the heat. Sabi po ng mga nakatatanda noon, ito daw ay mabisang panghilot. At ayan po, kumukulo na. Alalay lang po yung apoy. It's medium to low. As you can see, it produced some oil now. I better not to stir para buo-buo yung latik mamaya. So, simple as that. Gawa ng ating coconut oil. It's a virgin coconut oil. At yan pong ating latik. Yan po ang ating nagawa sa halagang $8. Sunod kong iluto ay ang ating sumalatik. Ayan, kumukulo na ang ating coconut cream at sugar. Just brown sugar. Just add the cooked glutinous rice. Yan, haluin lang po natin. Siya nga po pala, gumawa ko ng dalawang flavor. Yung isa, just plain na brown sugar. And the other one is ube flavor. And there you go, almost ready. Perfect snack, ihanda na ang mainit na kape. And there you go. Loaded with latik. It's all natural. No preservative added. My very own sumalatik plus my homemade virgin coconut oil or organic oil. Thank you for watching. May God bless us everyone.